I spec'd these perfectly. These are 20mm braces that are measured to the actual maximum clamping of the clamps here. So if you tighten these too much, these won't fit, but if you tighten them just enough, then these will fit. So they brace the whole arm, and that's probably why I had such jello-free video as well. I think it's because we're canceling out a lot of the vibration here with this right angle turn, and then another right angle turn to go up to the camera. So you've got vibration trying to travel in up and down motion or side to side motion. It's going into the arm here. The side to side motion might affect that center arm, but then when it gets to the center body, that side to side motion is canceled by the right angle into the body, I think. So, and the flight time is almost the same as the HB9, which was considerably lighter, but it just seems that this is a much more efficient layout. With the battery on top, you have a plane of balance equal with the props, basically, and the bottom of the helicopter, the multirotor. And side to side, it's almost a perfect square as an H-copter here. And that must affect the efficiency as well as the balancing by holding it on each end, on each side, and seeing that the balance there is equal as well. So we're lifting the center section. We're not basically pushing it around as in with an X-copter or something. And I put on a 4000 mAh battery, which was quite huge, and it basically weighs a kilogram with that, and it flies with that battery. So with a high quality 4000 mAh, I'm sure that we'll be getting over 10 minutes in flight time with this. Perhaps even 15 or 14 minutes. We'll have to try it out tomorrow. We'll see how the 12 amp ESCs hold up, lifting a kilogram. But that's about half the thrust of these motors on spec. And since they're 2-cell motors, they're running on 3-cell. Probably the fastest revving motors I've ever run at 2840 kV. So they're working quite hard, but it doesn't sound too bad, and I think that the camera has a broken part in it because I'm getting rattling, so it might be just the wires bouncing inside the frame, or I'm not sure where, but other than that, the camera is stable as heck, so I'm really happy with that. And this frame will be under 150 bucks basically shipped, and I'm working full-time now, so I don't think I'll be producing a lot of them, but if anybody's interested, I can guarantee you that there's lots of options to use here, as well as the bottom section like the HB8. You can still put the arms on that way and adjust them forward or backwards, and these you can rotate forward or backwards as well as tilt outwards. And once you have it set up, you could actually glue the points just so that you have a point of reference, or mark the tubes with yellow paint or something, so that you have a point of reference on where your arms are set up. Didn't take me too long, about 20 minutes of adjusting to get it set up. And with the bumps off the ground, I didn't bend or twist the arms at all. But if I move an arm, then it takes maybe 3 or 4 minutes, just to, not even 3-4 minutes, but just a few minutes to fix the arm angle. So, and this is with the Naza. We're going to put in the OSD, I think, and we'll see how that runs as well, so we can get the extra data on the battery. There you go, HBx, the Mini Mud Puppy 330.